Hi everyone, my name is Siddhant and in this video we will see how to download and install CodeBlocks on Windows. So let's start. So go to google.com and then simply type in download CodeBlocks for Windows and simply open this first link, and now we need to download this CodeBlocks 20.03 MinGW setup.exe. So let's download it. Since I have already downloaded the setup, I'm not gonna download it once again. So let me cancel the download, and I have the setup file here. So let me double click to run it, and then simply click next, agree, and then next, and then click on install. So this will install CodeBlocks on our system. So since I have already installed CodeBlocks, so I'll cancel it. So now type in CodeBlocks and open it. Congratulations guys, now we have successfully installed CodeBlocks on the system. If you found this video helpful, then make sure that you like this video and also subscribe to my channel, because soon I'll be creating a video series on C programming language. So this is it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.